this is French teacher Simon. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the new student, and let's start the lesson immediately. Let's go. Bonjour, let's go to the next lesson. We start from the top. Les cornes. 1 kilo. La carabine. Le quart. La colle. La culotte. Du café. Le canard. Q. La culotte. Short. Lulu recule. Lulu, go back. Cocorico is the sound for chicken mâle when they sing in the morning. Une copie, one copy. Un canard, one duck. La capitale is the capital. Qui, 2 kilomètres, 2 kilomètres. 3 kilos, 3 kilos. Une culotte kaki. 1 culotte green dark. Le quart, the shadabas, la barbe, the beard, le buvard, the chop. Le bord is by, bébé dort, bébé sleep. Il is he, papa est là, papa is here. Il est là, he is here. La plume, the feather. Plus de balles, no more ball. Le car va à la ville. The shuttle bus goes to the city. Il va vite. He goes fast. Bébé est malade. Bébé is sick. Il ne dort pas. He doesn't sleep. So this is do not. Mina donne un domino à bébé. Mina gave 1 domino to the baby. À l'école, at school, René a lu. René read. Le camarade, the classmate or the friend. Il copie à la plume. He copied by the feather. 2 kilos, 2 kilos. Il est midi. It's noon. Plus d'école. No more school. Next page. Où. Pousse-moi. Pousse-moi. Push me. Où. Bou. Roux. Tout. Nous. Vous. D'où. Loup. Pou. Tourne is verb to turn. For. Il court. He run. La tour, the tower. La mère est debout. The mother is stand up. Et sourit and smile. Pousse-moi, push me, dit Mina. Bar, nar, tar, lar, var, dar, par, mar. Ou, bou, nous, tout, lou, vous, d'où, pou, mou. Our, bourg, nour, tour, lourd, vour, dour, pour, mour. La route, the road. La roue tourne, the wheel turn. La boule roule vite. The ball roll fast. Le coude, the elbow. La poule, chicken. La poupée de Mina, the doll of Mina. René court sur la route. René run on the road. Le cou de Lulu n'est pas propre. The neck of Lulu is not clean. Le bout de la corde, the end of the rope. Alors, next page, we're gonna go from here. La poule, chicken, la poupée, the doll, la roue, the wheel, René court, René run. La mouche, the fly, la douche, the shower, 12 is 12, la tour is the tower. Où la balle roule, the ball roll. La mère coud, the mother sew. La poule, chicken. Voici la poupée de Mina. There is a doll of Mina. Ouvre une balle pour René. One ball for René. René court. René run. La cour de l'école. The corridor of the school. Bébé est lourd. Bébé is heavy. Ouvre la porte, the door. Miro dort. Miro sleep. Vre le livre, the book. Ouvre la porte, open the door. Où est papa? Where is daddy? Dis Mina, say Mina. Il n'est pas là, is not here. Il est à la ville, he is in the city. Dis la mère, say the mother. Voici la moto de papa. There is the motorcycle of daddy. Dis René, c'est René. Vite, fast, ouvre la porte à papa. Open the door for daddy. Papa donne une balle à René. Papa gave one ball to René. And une poupée à Mina. And one doll for Mina. Voici pour vous, mes petits. There is for you, my kids. Mickey est là. Mickey is here. Il a vu la balle. He saw the ball. Mickey roule la balle sur le tapis. Mickey rolled the ball on the carpet. Ma balle, my ball, ma balle, my ball. Dis René, say René. We start from the new word. Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Il est 1 heure. It's 1 o'clock. Il est 2 heures. It's 2 o'clock. Moins 5, 5 to, et quart, quarter past. Moins le quart, quarter to, et demi, half past. Midi, midday, minuit, midnight, du matin, in the morning, du soir, in the evening, at, se lever, to get up, son, his or her, le petit déjeuner, the breakfast, le déjeuner, lunch, le dîner, the dinner, il va, he goes, à l'école, to school, au lit, to bed. Aller is verb to go in present tense. Je vais, I go. Tu vas, you go. Il va, he goes. Elle va, she goes. Nous allons, we go. Vous allez, you go. Ils vont, they go for plurial, masculine. Elles vont, they go for plurial, female. Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Il est 1 heure. It's 1 o'clock. Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Il est 7 heures. It's 7 o'clock. Il est 9h05. Il est 9h15. Il est 9h30. Il est 10h moins le quart. Il est 10h moins 5. Il est midi. Il est minuit. Il est 6 heures du matin. Il est 6 heures du soir. Alors, now we're going to see the time here. So, what time is it here? Il est midi 30. And next, il est 7h30. Next, il est 8h30. Next, 6 heures. Next, 8 heures. Next, 9 heures moins le quart. Next, 5 heures et quart. And next, 2h10. Alors, now we're going to translate this sentence from English to French. Marc se lève à 7h30. This is in French. That means Mark get up himself at 7:30. Il mange son petit déjeuner à 8 heures. He eats his breakfast at 8 o'clock. À 9 heures moins le quart, that means at 8:45, il va à l'école. He goes to school. Il mange son déjeuner à midi et demi. He eats his lunch at 12:30. À 2h10. At 2:10, il joue au football. He play football. À 5h15, 5:15, il regarde la télé. He watch the TV. À 6 heures, il mange son dîner. At 6 o'clock, he eats his dinner. Il va au lit à 8h30. He goes to bed at 8:30. Alors, now we're going to see some vocabulary. Les animaux. Animals. La girafe, le singe, l'éléphant, le rhinocéros, le panda, le tigre, le serpent, le lion, le zèbre, l'araignée, la vache, le cheval, la chèvre, le papillon, la poule, la fourmi, le manchot, l'âne, le mouton, l'agneau, le hibou, la coccinelle, le chat, l'escargot et l'abeille. Thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and see you next time. Bye bye. Au revoir.